Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, grinders, rolls, shears, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to go over a simple machine, one machine that we actually sell brand new. This is a great line, DoALL, American-made machinery. Here's a DoALL 36-inch bandsaw. Now what the 36 inches is going to mean is going to be from here to here, you got 36 inches. You can go ahead and make a really large circle or whatever you'd have to do with this. It's got the split table, great for some big pieces if you do have it. It's got the automatic feed here, which is a setup most guys don't use, but if you do have the chain set up and everything, you hit this guy down, hit this feed, and it'll go ahead and drag your part in there rather than you having to force it in and push it. We'll go ahead and start this guy up, just let you hear it. You can see a very simple machine. Turn it on, cut your pieces right through. Actually grab a piece right here. It's obviously made for metal, but we've got it at a pretty low speed. Simple, easy to cut. Got your speed change right back here. Got your high and low transmission. And as you can hear, it's speeding up now. Slowing back down. You change the transmission, you go ahead and turn off the machine. You're going to change this handle right here. Push it right to the other side. Sometimes you're going to have to jog it in just to make sure it's into gear. Looks like it's in gear there. And you can see we're at a higher speed now. So everything's working great on this machine. We love to sell DoALL. I'll actually show you another machine right here. This is a brand new 36-inch variable speed DoALL. So great machines. They haven't changed a huge amount over the years. They're still running great, and you can see that over here at Sterling Machinery. Comes with a certified guarantee. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.